Welcome. If you want to control when Telegram can access your microphone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable Ask Every Time for microphone permissions on Telegram. This way, you decide when the app can use your mic, adding an extra layer of privacy and control. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you'll find all the controls for your device's apps and permissions. Next, look for the section called Apps, or sometimes it's named App Management, depending on your device. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list until you find Telegram. Once you see the Telegram icon, tap on it to open the app's settings page. Now you'll see an option labeled Permissions. Go ahead and tap on Permissions to view what Telegram can access on your phone. Here, you'll find a list of different permissions, such as camera, contacts, and microphone. Tap on Microphone to adjust its settings. You'll see a few options for how Telegram can use your microphone. Select Ask Every Time. With this choice, Telegram will prompt you for permission each time it wants to access your microphone, giving you full control over your privacy. That's it. You've now set Telegram to ask for microphone access every time it needs it. This is especially useful if you want to send voice messages or make calls, but only when you decide. If you ever change your mind, you can revisit these steps and adjust the permission as needed. Keeping your app permissions up to date is a smart way to protect your privacy while still enjoying all the features Telegram offers. Thanks for following along. Now you're ready to use Telegram with confidence, knowing you're in control of your microphone permissions.